Hello everyone, welcome to the next part of this video. And in this one I am going to talk about graphics. So where you can download your graphics for making a t-shirt design, and I am showing you freepik.com here. This is my most favorite website, but there are hundreds of thousands of different websites where you can download graphics for your design work. I'm just going to talk about FreePick here. So if you come to FreePick, it will give you a interface like this, and here you can search anything. Let's see, I was searching for coffee. You can search like coffee and then press enter. It is going to show you some resources that is based on coffee. It is going to show you some Adobe stock links. That is not the file I need here. So from here it is going to start the design resources. So for making it easier, we can use these filters. So before starting anything, I need to talk about one thing, that is there are two kinds of resources you will find here. One is free, one is premium. The one is free, it is you can download them to use in your design project, and that will be free, nothing to do. And one is premium, nothing to do, you need to give the designer attribution, but I'll talk about that later. And one is premium. The ones are premium, you need to buy their subscription to download those premium files and use in your design. And I will recommend, if you are a very beginner and you are not making a good money from your design works, then it is not really necessary to buy subscription. And once you are in a good position, you can of course buy subscription, and freepik is the best site to subscribe to buy the subscription. So if you are a very beginner designer, you don't have that ability to buy subscription, you have to just come to freepik and then click on this free option. So after the search, it is going to show you all the resources that are available in free section under this search in this topic. So in coffee, I am just going to find all these resources that are free. Okay, so it is taking a bit time for my internet connection, sorry for that. So these are all the topics that is free here. And one more thing you can do, that is check the vectors. Like this is an image, this is an image, this can be a 3D or realistic vector graphics, this is an image. I don't need all of this, I don't need this image, I just need vector graphics. So I can check this vector option. You can see it was showing 9,000 resources. Now it is only showing 9,000 resources, because these are all vectors and these are all free to use. Now you can take whichever thing you want. Like I need to make a coffee related t-shirt design, so this is a free graphic or free resource, I can use this one. So how can I use this? If I just take this part and make this as a design and try to sell it, that can be copyrighted. You need to give the attribution, but I just need some small graphics, small parts to make a design and then sell it in my, like sell it for my design work. As my design work, I can do that. And how you can do that is, you have to look for bundles. Every time you are in freepik, look for bundles. Like in every bundle you will find some small graphics, like these coffee beans. These are really small detail, you can use this in your design to make a design of your own. You can use this coffee mug to use in your design and sell that as your own. There is no problem, and there is no need to give the attribution of this here, of them here. So you can, if you cannot sell it as it is, you can take the small part of it and use that in your design work, and then you can sell it. So let's say I don't want to, let's not talk about coffee, let's say I want to use my, I want to use skull. That is very common thing. And if you search like this, you will find tons of different skull images here. Like, and now if you want to do, like if you are taking this image, this is a very identical image. Like this is a single image, wherever you are going to use it, it can be identified. Never do that, always search for bundles. Like you can see, this is a design bundle here, and this skull is just a part of this bundle. You can now download this bundle, you can use this skull or this source. Like these are only a small part of this bundle to use in your design, and then you can use that. That is not copyrighted. So let's say I am not going to use this very detailed skull here, I am going to use some cartoony looking skull here. As I am not a pro level designer and I don't have that subscription, so I have to consider this. I can use this. You can see there are some other resources that is also cute. You have to just take them and modify them a bit. Then there are other ways. You can see this is a bundle, this is also a free bundle, everything is showing is free here. So if I take this one here, I can take this skull from here, I can take this skull. That is just a small part of a bundle, and you can use that as a part of your design and you can sell that. Now this is not very legal, you need to give the attribution, but this is how you can work if you are beginner artist. And if you are going to upload your designs on print on demand, then I will advise do not use graphics, just use text based design. And if you when once you will become a little bit professional, little bit good at design, you can then modify designs to make. I will talk about that later in my later videos. So let's say I want to use these parts, so let's download this. I don't have that subscription, so I will download it free, and it is going to download it here. And now once it is downloaded, if I click on this folder, it is going to open up that zip file. In this zip folder I will find a vector file, that is the EPS file, and then this is a preview of that image they are using here, and this is my vector file. If I double click on it, it is going to open in my Adobe Illustrator. So you can see this is a full bundle here, and if I just take a small part of this, then I can modify that. So I'm going to take this skull from here, let's copy this one, and then I'll paste it here. Maybe I will use this shield from here. So this is just to modify my that design. And okay, so not that one, copy this one. I will talk about everything later, let's don't worry about this right now. So you can see by this modifying these two, I can make a unique graphic. This is not complete unique graphic, but of course this is somewhat unique than a whatever is originally here. So this skull is not with any shield here, and once we are using that, we can now take this part of this graphic, this wings part. Okay, so let's just to modify and make a new graphic here. I'm going to reflect it. I will talk about this later. First step is I'm going to try to teach you the process of taking vectors. So you can see by combining them, I can now make a unique looking graphic. Maybe I will not use this one that much bigger here, I will just use this here. Don't worry, we will talk about this. So you can see this graphic was not here in this bundle, so it is just a modification, a combination of other graphics, and then it is going to become a unique one. So you can see this combination is not in there, this wings is here, this shield is here, but not this combination. So in this way you can use graphics from FreePic, and this is the easiest way of using graphics. Now this is showing that you need to do the attribution, but that is not really important here. And one more thing I need to talk about, that is let's extract this zip folder here, and it is going to, okay, so there is no license file in it, there was some license file anyway. So it will give you a license, free license, that will say that you cannot sell this, you cannot resell this as your own artwork. But we are not reselling this as saying this is our own artwork, we are using them to make our artwork stand out and represent our artwork. I will talk about that in details later. So this is how you can download graphics from FreePic, and you can modify them, you can combine them to make your own graphics, and that is the easiest way of using graphics in your design. Let's see what I can show you in the advanced level of this series, where I will modify vectors. But that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you learned something new from this one. See you in the next one, guys.